विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 7 तक किया था। मैंने आपको बोला था कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 खुद से ट्राई करना है ना। जिन लोगों ने कर दिया है वो वेरीफाई कर लो अपने आंसर। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, फाइंड द सेंटर एंड रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, so here find the center and radius of circle. Find the center and radius. Find the center and radius of the circle. Equation of circle is given. Equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 equal to 0. Done? So this is the equation of circle. It is the general form of equation of circle. Now we have to derive the coordinates of center as well as radius. So first method, we are trying to solve this question by both the methods. First we'll try to convert this given equation which is in general form. So converting this general form of equation into standard form by completing square method. What we have to do? Completing square method. So first we are rearranging the terms. So first one, it's a x square minus 8x. Then we are taking this y square and this y term. So it's a plus y square plus 10y, taking this minus 12 on the right hand side. So it's a plus 12. Clear? Now we are adding last term. These are the first term as well as middle term. First term and middle term of two perfect square trinomials. So here last term, which is also known as third term, that third term is missing. Now to find that third term, what we have to do? We have to consider the coefficient of middle term. Coefficient of this middle term, it's a x whose coefficient is minus 8. So minus 8 is there. Then divide this minus 8 by 2. So we are getting minus 4, and then take the square of that minus 4. So we are getting 16. So what we have to do? We have to add that 16 and subtract that 16. So it's a x square minus 8x. Add the 16 and subtract the 16. Clear, students? Next, we have to add a last term for this y square plus 10y, this trinomial. So middle term is 10, coefficient of middle term is 10 divided by 2. We are getting 5, take a square, so 25 is there. So add and subtract 25 in this term. So it's a y square plus 10y plus 25 minus 25 equal to 12. Is that clear, students? How to form perfect square trinomial? Now this is our perfect square trinomial up to this term. These terms are the perfect square trinomial. So factorization of this x square minus 8x plus 16 is, it's a x minus 4 whole square. Here y square plus 10y plus 25, it's a y plus 5 whole square equal to minus 16 plus 25. Sorry, minus 16 minus 25. So they will go into the right hand side. So they will be add. So it's a 12 plus 25 plus 16 है ना. ये माइनस को राइट हैंड साइड पर भेज दिया, ये माइनस 25 को राइट हैंड साइड पर भेज दिया. तो इसका एडिशन क्या होगा? इट्स 7 5 plus 2 7 plus 6 13 1 2 3 4 5 53. Done. So this will be 53. This is equal to 53. So this one is 53. Done. So this 53 can be written as square root of 53 whole square. So this one is x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equal to square root of 53 square. Done. So this is the equation which is equivalent to standard form. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So compare this equation. So on comparison, we can say we are getting h equal to 4, k equal to minus k is there, plus 5 is there, so k equal to minus 5, k equal to minus 5, and our r is root 53, r is root 53. Done. So coordinates of center are h comma k, and that is equal to 4 comma minus 5, and radius of equation is radius of circle is root 53. Is that clear, students? Done. This is first method. Again, we can solve this equation by using general equation of circle. Done. So for that, first we'll consider given equation of circle. It's a x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 equal to 0. This is given equation of circle in general form. Done. So general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of equation. So on comparison, what we are getting? Coefficient of x is twice of g, and here it's a minus 8. So we're getting g equal to minus 4. Done. G equal to minus 4. Again, comparing the coefficient of this y, we are getting twice of f equal to 10, and f will be 5. F is 5. And c, what is the value of c? Plus c minus 12. So c is minus 12. Done. So after getting the values of g, f and c, we can write coordinates of center. Therefore, coordinates of center of circle is minus g minus f. So minus g, it's a 4, and minus f, which is minus 5. 4 minus 5. Done. These are the coordinates of center of circle, and we can also find the radius by using the formula. It's a g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. What is g square? This one is g minus 4 square plus f square, it's a 5 square, and minus c and c is minus 12, so minus minus plus. So this is equal to minus 4 square 16, 5 square 25, and 12. So 16 plus 25 plus 12 यहाँ पर क्या था 53. Square root of 53 is the value of radius. So now you can give the answer. Coordinates of center are 4 comma minus 5, and radius of circle is root 53. Is that clear? So take a screenshot. So question number 9. Question number 9 says find the center and radius of circle. Again, same question is there. You have to find the coordinates of center and length of radius. For the equation of circle, given equation of circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. Done. So now here completing square method. First we are applying completing square method. So equation of circle is given equation of circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. Done. So here for completing square, first we have to remove the coefficient of this y square term, x square and y square term. Done. So for that we have to divide this equation by 2. So it will be x square plus y square minus x by 2 equal to 0. Now rearranging the terms, taking this x square and x by 2 terms together. So x square minus x by 2 plus y square equal to 0. Now we have to complete perfect square trinomial. So for perfect square trinomial, here we can see this is first term, this is middle term. So here third term is missing. So for that what we have to do? We have to consider the coefficient of x. So that coefficient of x is minus 1 by 2. Then we have to divide that coefficient by 2. So it's a 1 by 2. So it's a minus 1 by 4. And then we have to take the square. So it's a square. So our answer is 1 by 16. So here third term or the last term of this perfect square trinomial is 1 by 16. So we have to add that 1 by 16 and again we have to subtract that term. So it's a x square minus x by 2 plus adding 1 by 16 and subtracting that 1 by 16. Now what about this one, y square? Middle term is also missing and third term is also missing. So it's a nothing but the y square only. Then it's a perfect square. You can write this one as a y minus 0 whole square. So this is one perfect square trinomial whose factorization is x minus and x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus writing this y square as a y minus 0 whole square. No, y minus 0 y whose square is y square. Taking this minus 16 on the right hand side. So it's a plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 is the square of 1 by 4. Done. So this is the equation which is equivalent to our standard equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. Compare this equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So we're getting our answer. So coordinates of center h comma k, that is equal to h minus 1 by 4. So it's a 1 by 4 k 0 and radius r is 1 by 4 unit. Is that clear, students? So this is how you can solve by first method. Second method, by using general formula. This is the solution of question by using standard equation of circle. Now we have to solve this same equation by using general formula. So given equation of circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. Now on comparison, है ना जोया, ध्यान रखना कहीं पर भी मिस्टेक नहीं आ रही है ना. So what you have to do? Same. We have to remove the coefficient of x square and y square. So it's a x square y square minus x by 2 equal to 0 by 2 0. Compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this will be comparison. On comparison we are getting coefficient of x. So it's a twice of g, and here coefficient of x is minus 1 by 2. So coefficient of x is minus 1 by 2, and therefore we are getting the value of g, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. G is minus 1 by 4. Now on comparison, coefficient of y is absent. So coefficient of y which is absent, it is 0, and therefore f equal to 0. F is equal to 0, and again c is also 0. है ना, C is also 0. So now center is minus G comma minus F, है ना, minus G comma minus F. minus G is 1/4 and minus F is minus 0. minus 0 होता है 0. So 1/4 0 is the center of circle, and value of radius R is square root of G square plus F square minus C, and that is equal to G square here minus 1/4 square 1/16 F square 0 minus C 0 1/16 square root of 1/16 is 1/4. So again we are getting the same answer. Done. So by these both methods you can find the center as well as radius of this given equation. Clear, students? So please note it down. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, है ना, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएंगे. So read the question number 10. So here find the equation of circle passing through the point 4 1 and 6 5 whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So what we are given, we have to find the equation of this circle. This circle passing through the 2 points. This circle is passing through 2 points A and B. Coordinates of these 2 points are given 4 1 and 6 5, and center, whose center lies on the line. Suppose this is one line, this is one line, and this is the center of circle. Suppose it's a H comma K. Center of circle is H comma K, and equation of this line is given 4x plus y equal to 16. This is given. So for this we have to find the now let's say that equation of required circle, here we assume that coordinates of this circle, coordinates of center of circle are h comma k and radius is r. So equation of required circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. That so we assume equation of required circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now this circle is passing through 2 points. This circle is passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. Which 2 points? 2 points are 4 comma 1 and another point 6 comma 5. So here this circle is passing through 2 points 4 1 and 4 comma 1 and 6 5. Hence we can say these coordinates of the point will satisfy our equation. Done. So from these 2 points we are getting 2 equations. So this equation of circle is passing through this point 4 1. So 4 1 will satisfy our equation, and therefore we can write 1 minus h whole square, 4 minus h whole square plus put y equal to 1, y minus k whole square equal to r square. Let's say this is equation number 1. Same way this point coordinates are 6 comma 5 will satisfy our equation of circle. So put x equal to 6. So it's a 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. Say equation number 2. Clear? So these 2 points satisfy equation of circle because circle is passing through these 2 points. Now this is coordinates of circle h comma k through which one line is passing. So now here we can write 4x plus y equal to 16. This line is passing through the point. This line is passing through the point है ना, point h comma k, which is our center, passing through the point hk, and hence these coordinates of center will satisfy the equation of line. Done, because this point lies on the line, so h comma k will satisfy this equation of line. So replace this x with h and this y with k. So therefore we can write it's a 4h plus k, 4h plus k equal to 16. This is our third equation. This is our third equation. Clear? So total 3 data will be given. 3 data regarding this circle is given, and here from these 3 data we derived 3 equations. Now from these 3 equations we have to find the values of h, k and r. So let's start solution of this equation. So first from this equation 1 and 2, now we can say from equation 1 and 2, because this both the equations are equal to r square, है ना. In equation 1 and 2 value of the right hand side is equal. Done. So we can compare this both the equation on the left hand side. So this will be equal to this one, and comparing the both side with expansion, है ना, साथ में expansion भी करते हैं. So 4 minus h whole square, which is equal to 16 minus 8h plus h square plus 1 minus 2k plus k square. This is equal to 6 minus h whole square, which is 36 minus 12h plus h square plus 25 minus 10k plus k square. So comparing the equation 1 and 2, simplify. Therefore here we can see this h square k square, h square k square both are equal, so they can be cut. Minus 8h and this is minus 12h. So taking this minus 12h on the left hand side, so it's a 12h minus 8h, so 4h. Minus 2k, this is minus 10k. Taking this minus 10k on the left hand side, so 10k minus 2k, it's a 8k. Plus 16 plus 1, 17. 17 minus 36 plus 25, so it's a 40, 60, 61. 16 plus 17 minus 61, so minus 44 equal to 0. 17 minus 61, 44. So dividing this equation with 4, so we are getting h plus 2k minus 11 equal to 0. Say this one is equation number 4. Now come from this equation 3 and 4, we have to solve this equation. So equation 3 is, है ना, माइनस 11 को हम लिखेंगे h प्लस 2k इक्वल टू 11 के फॉर्म में, एंड और इक्वेशन 3 सेज 4h plus k equal to 16. Now we will solve this both the equation, which are the linear equations in two variables, and we will get the values of h and k. So for the solution we will multiply this equation with 4. Therefore this one is 4h plus 4 to the 8k equal to 44, and this one is 4h plus k equal to 16. Change the sign, minus minus minus, it will be cut, it's a 7k, and this will be 14 subtract करो पहले तो होगा 30 और 2 subtract करो तो 28. k is equal to 7 4 जा 28, k equal to 4. Put this value of k in either of the one equation. So put it in the equation number 3. Put in equation number 3. So here we are getting the value of h, k equal to 4. So 4h equal to 16 minus k, k is 4, so 12, and therefore h will be 3. Done. So coordinates of center are h comma k, and that is equal to 3 comma 4. Coordinates are the center. So this is 3 comma k, 3 comma 4. Done. Now one more value, that is value of r is required. So put these values of h and k in either of the one equation, 1 or 2. So put in equation 1. So from equation number 1, 4 minus h is 3, है ना, h is 3. So 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus k is 4. So it's a 1 minus 4 whole square equal to r square that we have to find. So 4 minus 3 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 3 1 minus 4 minus 3 square 9 equal to r square. So r square equal to 10, or we can write r equal to square root of 10. Done. So now our answer, what is the question? Question is find the equation of circle, and here we assume that equation of required circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r. Put the value of h, k and r over here. So our answer, equation of required circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to r square equal to 10. Done. This is the equation of circle in standard form. We have to write the answer in general form. So perform expansion. It's a x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore now our final answer, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, and this will be 9 plus 16 25 minus 10 plus 15 equal to 0 is the answer. We have to write the equation of circle in general form. Clear students? Now pause this video and note it down.